Model airplanes can make wonderful things happen. They have been called aviation you can hold in your hands. Inquiring minds begin to dream, and those dreams eventually take flight. The magic of flight then comes to life. Model airplanes are the essence of flight, distilled into a personal experience. Through them, you can touch the source of inspiration from which the world of aviation continues to grow and reinvent itself. The earliest flying models served as tools for experimenters seeking to unlock the secrets of human flight. During the early decades of the 20th century, model airplanes became the focus of a new activity that from the onset was science as well as sport, education as well as leisure activity. Today's model airplanes span an amazing range from deceptively simple-looking gliders to marvelously complex radio-controlled scale replicas. Though a few experimental radio-controlled models were flown during the 1930s, RC airplanes remained exotic and uncommon through the decade following World War II. They did not become really practical until multiple control function radios, based on miniaturized solid-state electronics developed for the U.S. space program, became available during the mid-1960s. The early days of radio-controlled model airplanes were characterized by a continuing quest for increased control and reliability. Flight control was usually measured by the ability to do aerobatic maneuvers. Most early RC models were flown with rudder control alone. Modelers' ingenuity and the desire of the model airplane industry to create improved products led to the development of control systems that allow today's aerobatic models to rival the capabilities of full-scale airshow airplanes. These aerobatic models demonstrate the level of accomplishment that has become commonplace at competitions all over the world. Today's racing airplanes compete in several different classes based on engine displacement and cover the course at speeds as high as 180 miles per hour. During the 1970s, radio-controlled model helicopters became practical. They are very complex mechanically and demand top-quality control systems and a serious commitment to mastering flying skills. Today's RC helicopters are capable of an impressive range of performance, all the way from relaxed hovering at the local club field to precision maneuvers in competition. In the hands of a master pilot, an RC model helicopter designed for freestyle flying can execute flight routines beyond the capabilities of even the most advanced full-scale military machines. Whenever a steady wind blows directly against the face of a hill or ridge, birds, models, and full-size sailplanes alike can soar for hours. Here at Torrey Pines, just north of San Diego, California, sailplane enthusiasts have discovered and preserved one of the finest slope-soaring sites in the entire United States. These radio-controlled scale model sailplanes are being launched off the face of the cliff alongside full-size man-carrying aircraft. The abundant lift allows skilled pilots to keep them aloft, limited only by the battery duration of the control system, for as long as the wind continues to blow in off the Pacific Ocean.